Hello everyone, I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Do you ever feel invisible? You work hard every day, but no one says thank you. You feel like a small leaf, a leaf in a big, fast river. You worry about your future. You worry no one will remember you. Does my life matter? Many people ask this today.
It is a very deep feeling. We live in a world of numbers. Likes on the internet, money in the bank. If the numbers are small, we feel small. We feel like failures. But today, I have a story for you. It is a story about a real hero. He was not a king. He was not a winner. To the world, he was a loser. But he changed history forever.
Who was he?
His name was Sima Qian. He lived 2,000 years ago. He lived in ancient China. He was a historian.
A historian? Did he just write dates and names?
No, James. He wrote about the human heart. But first, he had to save his own heart. It started with his father. His father had a big dream. He wanted to write a great history book. But his father became very sick. On his deathbed, he held Sima Qian's hand. He said, "Please finish my work. Tell the truth about the past."
That is a very heavy promise.
Yes, it was. Sima Qian loved his father. He said, "I will do it." For years, he worked very hard. He was a high official for the emperor. He was successful. He was respected. But one day, everything changed.
What happened?
He tried to defend a general. The general's name was Li Ling. Li Ling lost a big battle. The emperor was very angry. All the other officials hated Li Ling. They called him a coward. But Sima Qian knew the truth. He told the emperor, "Li Ling is brave. He fought with only 5,000 men. He is a good man."
Was the emperor happy to hear the truth?
No. The emperor became furious.
Furious? You mean very, very angry?
Yes, extremely angry. He felt Sima Qian was attacking him. So he gave Sima Qian a choice. You must die, or you must receive a shameful punishment.
A shameful punishment? What was it?
It was a punishment that hurt his body. It took away his honor as a man. He felt like a person with no value. In those days, it was worse than death. Everyone would laugh at him. His family would feel ashamed.
Oh no, that is a nightmare. What did he choose?
Most men chose death. They wanted to keep their honor. Sima Qian also wanted to die. He cried every night in prison. He felt the world was totally unfair. He felt like a broken tool. Some nights he probably wished he would never wake up.
But he stayed alive. Why?
He thought about his father. He thought about the unfinished book. If he died, the story would die. If he died, no one would know the truth. He made a difficult choice. He chose shame. He chose life so he could write.
That is incredible. He gave up his pride for his mission.
Yes. Think about a seed in the dirt. The dirt is dark. The dirt is heavy. The seed must break to grow. Sima Qian was that seed. His old life was over. His new life as a writer began in the dark.
How did he write after that?
Imagine a cold night. The room is very dark. A small lamp is burning. Outside, the wind is loud. Many people are sleeping. Many people are dreaming of money and power. But Sima Qian is awake. He is alone. He is writing, line after line, year after year, for 10 long years.
10 years? That is a very long time to be alone.
It was, but he was not really alone. He was talking to the people of the past.
What kind of people did he write about? Only the winners?
No, that's why his book is special. He wrote about losers, too. He wrote about people who failed.
Why would he do that?
Because he understood them. He knew that failure is part of life. He wrote about an assassin named Jing Kai.
An assassin? That sounds like an action movie.
It is a very famous story. Jing Kai tried to kill a cruel king. He knew he would probably die.
Was he afraid?
Of course, everyone is afraid of death. But he went anyway. He wanted to change the world. In the end, he failed. He died in the palace.
So he was a failure.
Many people only remembered that he failed, but Sima Qian remembered him. He wrote, Jing Kai was a hero because he tried for a great reason.
I see. Sima Qian wanted to show that effort matters. That feels a little sad. He failed, but we still remember him. Even if you fail, your heart matters.
Exactly. He also wrote about rich merchants.
Rich people? Why were they in a history book?
Before Sima Qian, no one wrote about them. Historians thought money was dirty. They only wanted to write about kings. But Sima Qian was different. He said, money is part of human life. People work hard for money. That is also history.
He was very modern. He looked at the real world.
Yes, he looked at everyone, doctors, poets, and even criminals. He believed every life has a story. He believed every struggle has a meaning.
This makes me think about us today. We feel like losers when we fail. We feel like our names will disappear.
But Sima Qian says no. He says, your value is not in your success. Your value is in your truth. He said a very famous sentence. Some deaths are light like a feather, but some deaths are heavy like a mountain.
Heavy like a mountain. That means a life with a purpose.
Yes, Sima Qian chose a heavy life. He finished his book, the Shiji. It is 130 chapters long. It became one of the most important history books in East Asia.
What happened to the emperor?
The emperor who punished him is gone. People remember him as a cold man, but Sima Qian's words are still here. 2,000 years later, we are talking about him, but Sima Qian's words are still here. 2,000 years later, we are talking about him. His story is still alive.
That is a big victory. He turned his shame into a gift for the world.
He did. He teaches us to look at the long view. Today, you might feel small. Today, you might feel like a failure. But your story is not finished yet. You are still writing your own book.
I feel much better now. My problems feel different. I should not worry about being perfect.
No one is perfect, James. Sima Qian was not perfect. He was just a man who didn't quit. He never changed his mind about Li Ling. He stayed true to his heart.
This is a great lesson for everyone, especially for those who feel lonely today.
You are part of history too. Your hard work matters, even if no one sees it now.
Thank you, Doctor. I learned a lot today. Sima Qian is a new hero for me.
I'm glad to hear that. History is a mirror. It shows us how strong we can be. The world was unfair to him, but he did not let the world decide his story. Maybe we can do the same.
If you liked this story, please subscribe. It helps us tell more stories. Members can get a PDF summary of today's lesson. It is written in very easy English. It will help you remember Sima Qian, and it will also help your English skills grow. Thank you for joining our conversation. Don't give up on your mission today. Your story is important. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.